A short update in the Idaho 4 case, the case of Brian Koberger, the former criminology student accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students back in November of 2022. There's been recent developments. The jury selection is going to commence July 30th, and the trial is set to begin August 11th in Boise. They think that the proceedings are going to extend through early November. That's going to be a long trial.
You've essentially got 4 murder cases you're trying.
Yeah, exactly. A significant pretrial ruling did determine that prosecutors can seek the death penalty if Koberger is convicted. His defense was trying to argue that his autism spectrum disorder should preclude that, but the judge ruled that it did not meet the legal criteria. And the standard in Idaho is an intellectual disability is the standard for exemption from the death penalty. So the judge said that did not meet that burden. And some text messages and 911 calls from surviving roommates, which kind of provide context to the events of the night, are also going to be partially admitted. The judge also ruled that Brian Koberger's parents and siblings could be allowed in the courtroom, despite the fact that they're also going to be called as witnesses. It's a sticky situation because you don't want to have the family members' testimony changed at all by what they hear.
God, to sit there and listen to your brother or your sons, all that. Wow.
Well, and especially the elements that seem to tie him pretty clearly to the case of you're now, despite your opinion going in of like, he did nothing wrong, when you kind of start to piece it all together, maybe you plug your ears and you deny it, but there seems to be a lot there.